In this video, we'll see what is encapsulation and how to achieve encapsulation in Python. Encapsulation is one of the concepts of object-oriented programming in Python. So, as I have quoted these statements, encapsulation is a wrapping up of data combining both methods and variables in a class. Okay, these variables and methods can be restricted by making it as private. Okay, so a class consists of variables and methods. Okay, so we are restricting these variables and methods by using a private modifier to achieve encapsulation. Okay, to achieve encapsulation, we'll be using a private modifier so that these methods and variables are restricted to a class. They cannot be accessed outside the class. They should be accessed inside the class. Okay, so to achieve the encapsulation, we'll be using a private modifier. So when it comes to Java, we'll be having a private keyword. Okay, we have a built-in private keyword for Java and a built-in public keyword for Java. Okay, so for Python, we'll be having a double underscore for private. Okay, double underscore represents a private modifier, and public is a default modifier. Okay, public doesn't have any keyword or a symbol. Okay, it is a default modifier. Okay, private is represented by a double underscore in Python. Okay, private modifier is indicated by a double underscore in Python. So let's see an example. Let's say I have a class encapsulation demo self. Okay, sorry, not self, colon, and we are declaring a variable here, a equal to 10. So I have declared a variable and will define a function or method, diff display self. Okay, print welcome. Okay, so this is a method and this is a variable. Okay, so as of now I am not declaring it as private. We will see that later. And now just I am normally printing these statements. Okay, we are normally printing these variables and methods as of now. So let's call the uh, display method. So before calling, we have to create a object obj equal to encapsulation demo. Okay, so now we'll call the method display. Okay, and we'll call the variable obj dot a. Okay, so this will be returning 10 and welcome in the console. So if I run it, okay, we'll be getting welcome and 10. So suppose we want to declare it as private. So we'll be using a prefix for a, which is underscore underscore. Okay, just before a, we are giving the private modifier, which is represented as double underscores. Okay, double underscores represent private modifier. Okay, so if I try to run it, see, it is not giving me the expected output, but it is throwing an error. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to print this obj.a inside our class. Okay, that should be inside our class. This private modifier cannot be accessed outside the class. Okay, so that is the reason why it is giving me an error. So let's comment this out and I'll print here, print self dot underscore underscore a. Okay, so if I try to run it, now you can see welcome and 10 are printed here. Okay, so let me clear this, and if I run it, you can see welcome and 10 are printed. So in that way, not only for variables, we can also declare private modifier for methods too. Okay, so if I give double underscores here for display method. So here I have given the double underscore for display. So if I try to run it, it is giving me an error. Okay, so same applies here. We cannot run this method outside the class. Okay, we have to run it inside the class because of private modifier. So to to execute this method, we have to create a display function again. Def display, or not only display, you can give it any name. For good understanding, I'm giving it as a display. Okay? Display self. So here I'll be returning the self dot underscore underscore display. Okay. So if I try to run it, see, now you can see we'll be getting the output welcome and 10. Okay. Let me clear this, and if I run it, see, we are getting the expected output, which is welcome and 10. Okay. So to access this display method and the variable outside the class, it's not possible when we are declaring it as private. Okay. When we don't have private, you can directly access it outside the class. Okay. So that is the difference between the private modifier and the public modifier. Okay. So this is all about encapsulation. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.